In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Fidelity Tax Forms. Whether you're using a desktop computer or the Fidelity app on your phone, the process is quite straightforward. Let's break it down step by step so you can access your tax forms with ease. First, you need to log into your Fidelity account. You can do this by opening the Fidelity app on your smartphone or by visiting fidelity.com on your computer. Once you're on their website or in the app, you will see a place to sign in. Enter your username and password carefully. This is important because it ensures your access to all necessary documents. Once you are logged in, the next step is to navigate to Documents or Statements. From the home page, look for the option labeled Accounts and Trade. Click or tap on it to proceed. From there, you should select either Documents or Statements and Tax Forms. This section is crucial as it holds all the important paperwork related to your account. Now you're going to look for the tax forms you need. In this section, you should see different headings like Tax Forms, 1099 forms, and tax statements. These headings indicate where your tax documents are stored. Click on the one that corresponds to the tax year you require. For instance, if you need the forms for the 2025 tax year, you would click on that year. This step matters because selecting the correct year ensures you have the right information for filing your taxes. After you have selected the year, it's time to open or download your form. You'll typically see something called the Consolidated 1099 form. Clicking on this will give you several options. You can choose to view the form as a PDF, download it to your device, or even print it out. Doing so ensures you have a copy ready for your records or for sharing with your tax preparer. This makes sure your changes are saved and accessible whenever you need them. Let's talk briefly about what tax forms you might encounter. Fidelity often combines various 1099 forms into one comprehensive document called a Consolidated 1099 statement. This might include a 1099 DAV for dividends, a 1099 MIS for stock trades, a 1099 IM for interest, and a 1099 MIS for other income types. Having all these in one place simplifies the process, saving you time and effort during tax season. Now, you might be wondering when these tax forms become available. Typically, Fidelity releases them from late January to mid-February each year. However, if you have a more complex account, they might be available later in February. It's always a good idea to check back if you don't see them right away. If you don't see your forms, there are a few things you can try. First, double-check that you're looking at the correct tax year. Sometimes it's just a matter of looking in the wrong place. If it's still early in the year, you might need to wait until February since the forms may not be ready yet. Finally, consider if you only have retirement accounts. In that case, you might receive a 1099-R instead. And there you have it. That's how you can easily access your Fidelity tax forms online. Remember, getting your tax documents sorted early can make tax season a lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your taxes.